Introduction. Samir feels lonely. He has no friends. No one plays with him because he has some bad habits. He wears dirty clothes. He has long and dirty nails. He does not wash his hands before his meals. He is always late in submitting his homework at school. In this lesson, you will learn about good habits. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to list good morning habits, identify good eating and drinking habits, identify good work and exercising habits, list good sleeping habits. Good habits: exercising regularly, eating healthy food, completing work on time, respecting elders and being polite to others are good habits. We must develop these good habits in ourselves. Good morning habits: every morning, wake up early, brush your teeth, take a bath, dress up in clean clothes, comb your hair, wish everyone good morning. Good exercising habits. You are happy when your body is healthy. In order to keep your body fit and healthy, exercise regularly in an open area such as a park, playfield, etc. Walk, jog, and run every day. Cycle, swim, and play. Good eating and drinking habits. Follow these eating and drinking habits to stay healthy, fit, and strong. Fix a time for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and follow it. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Trim your nails regularly and keep them clean. Drink plenty of water. Use only clean water. Good sleeping habits. You feel fresh after rest. To stay fresh, go to bed early. Sleep for at least 8 hours. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Good work habits. You should always be punctual. To be punctual, fix a time for eating, homework, playing, and sleeping. Do not postpone work. Self-assessment. It is time to check what you have learnt. Click the pictures that show good habits. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Get up early in the morning and go to bed early in the night. Be polite to everyone. Exercise regularly. Wash your hands before and after eating food. Fix a time for eating, playing, studying, and sleeping.